There's more to success than just hard work. To get to the top and stay there, you need the kind of knowledge that enables you to make split-second decisions that maximize productivity and efficiency across your entire operation. Introducing PressureStat, the advanced tire pressure monitoring system from the name you trust for tires. With the PressureStat system, you get instant access to important tire pressure data and alerts. Real-time intel helps you make decisions that can minimize unplanned equipment downtime to help keep your operation running at peak performance. How does the PressureStat system work? Improper air pressure can lead to decreased tire performance. Tires fitted with PressureStat sensors track and report critical pressure and temperature data with immediate in-cab alerts, helping you to prevent unplanned downtime and help improve safety. Having access to tire pressure information on your phone or mobile device via Bluetooth increases accuracy and eliminates the need for conventional pressure checks, enabling you to increase efficiency and maximize tread utilization. Inspection reports for your entire fleet are available instantly on your desktop or mobile device with PressureStat tire and rim management software, saving you time and money by enabling you to make informed decisions anytime from anywhere. It's all backed by the industry-leading service and support you've come to expect from a global leader in off-the-road tire manufacturing. Increase efficiency, maximize productivity, and minimize costs with the PressureStat system from Bridgestone.